Wow, what have you found over there?
Under the leaf.
A leaf? Beautiful. Nice. Let's take a walk some more.
Why are there different kind of leaves everywhere?
Yes. Come on. Mhm. Yeah. Let's take a walk. Let's find out some more. No, it's not autumn yet. But look at that tree. You can just point it. That's a tall tree, right? How tall is it? Really tall, right?
Can anybody climb? Look, a unicorn! Eat it.
Yes.
Can I climb up that tree?
Sorry?
Can I climb up that tree and
Sure,
take a
you
picture?
can. You can climb. What have you found over there?
It's a tiny.
Oh,
There.
ants, right?
Are they relatives?
What?
Are they family of ants? Where
Yes,
are they
yes.
coming from? They're all spiders. They're not ants.
Are there spiders?
Yeah, they're
You see
small.
spiders?
They're baby smile.
Okay, let's take a walk and find some more.
Mom, can you put that banana?
Okay, come, let's go and see some more.
I mean, teacher.
Yes?
I should have not said mom.
Yes?
You know, teachers are like our second mom.
Okay. One second. Let's see what is she doing, okay?
I actually did it.
Mm-hmm.
Teacher,
Yes?
come follow me.
Okay. Careful.
I mean, teacher.
Yes? What did you find there? What is that? Pebbles? Don't throw it. Don't throw the pebbles. Don't throw the pebbles.